Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.7% in the last session. The stochastic RSI indicates an oversold market. The last session saw the pound drop 0.9% against the dollar. According to the stochastic RSI, we are in an oversold market. The Aussie-dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The CCI indicates an oversold market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
The IMF's lending to economically troubled countries has hit a record high as the world's lender of last resort battles simultaneous crises that have pushed at least 5 countries into default, with more expected to follow. After the merge, the SEC has been trying to claim jurisdictions over all Ethereum transactions. The Commission says that Ethereum nodes are densely concentrated in the United States, which gives them this authority. However, experts claim otherwise and say that SEC cannot claim jurisdiction over Ethereum transactions. Apple said it is assembling its flagship iPhone 14 in India as the US technology giant looks to shift some production away from China. Apple's main iPhone assembler, Foxconn, is manufacturing the devices at its factory on the outskirts of Chennai.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The US durable goods orders will be released at 12:30 GMT, the US non-defense capital goods orders at 12:30 GMT, the US consumer confidence at 1400 hours GMT. Finland's consumer confidence will be released at 0500 hours GMT. Finland's industrial confidence at 0500 hours GMT. Japan's BOJ monetary policy meeting minutes at 2350 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.